Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. And today in this video, I'm going to share another miracle story of Astaghfar. One of our group member told her story. She says that she had some issues and some problems, and she is doing online work. She has herbal product business, and she is doing at home, and then she delivers orders. Whatever the orders, she is taking from the customer, and she delivers. She says that she is doing istighfar from 5 months, and she recites 7,000 istighfar daily. And she says, I have seen many miracles in my life after starting istighfar. One of the biggest miracle is that when I am making my products, my herbal product at home, I keep saying Astaghfirullah, 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 and I got the greatest benefit that my customers like my products, and they give me positive feedback, and they are satisfying, and they say to us that I trust you, and we really feel good to use these products which you are making. And she says that after I started reciting Astaghfirullah, my business starts growing, and alhamdulillah, I am getting more orders than before, and I am getting more and more orders, and my business is growing. And she says that I was working, and the problem was that previously I was not receiving my payment on time. So I thought I should recite Durood Sharif, and I set a target that I would recite uh, uh, this number of Durood Sharifs in a day. She says, when I started reciting Durood Sharif and Istighfar, what happened? My payment, which was stuck from 1 week, I received within 2 days in my account. And she says that when I delivered my next order, I also did not receive my payment, and I was also very worried that why I'm not receiving my payment. Again, I started reciting Durood Sharif, and I was reciting Istighfar already, so I just received my payment within 2 days, alhamdulillah. And now I am receiving my payment on time, alhamdulillah. So she says this is the great benefit. And another thing she told me that she had some family issue, means she had some quarrel or some fight with her relative, and just because of that their relationship got break, and they did not have talking terms with their cousin. And she says that that cousin was my best friend, so I was guilty, and I felt bad that nowadays I cannot talk to her. She says, I started reciting Astaghfirullah for 1 week like this. I recited 3 times Durood Ibrahimi, then 1000 times Astaghfirullah, and in last 3 times Durood Ibrahimi. And then I prayed to Allah that please help us that our relationship again got better, and we uh, got good terms with them. And again, Allah Azza please help us that I can start talking with my cousin. She says, I regularly recited Istighfar like this 7,000 times. Means recited 1,000 times like this and pray. And then again recite 1,000 times like this and again pray. So she says, within 1 week, some kind of situation got like this, that I sent message to my cousin and I apologize. And I said, please forgive me. Whatever the things have been done between us, I just want to say you that please forgive me. And then again, their relationship got good term, and they became friend, and now they have good term. They are meeting, they are talking, and the problem which was occurring in their relationship now settled down. So she was very happy, and she was telling that what is the good thing happening in my life? It's just because of happening Astaghfar, because I am reciting Astaghfar, Astaghfirullah 7,000 times daily, and that's why my business is growing. I'm getting more orders, and I'm spending happy and prosperous life, and I got my friend again in my life, and just because of Astaghfar, my life is getting better every day. So she says, please, I request to all of who is listening my video, my story, if you have any problem, any wealth issue, any relation issue, start reciting Astaghfar 7,000 times daily, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, And if you want to get more result, effective result, valuable result, so just start reciting like this. Recite 3000 times Durud Ibrahimi, then 1000 times Astaghfar, Astaghfirullah, and 3 times Durud Ibrahimi in the end, and just pray for your issue. You complete 1000 times Astaghfar and recite 7000 times Astaghfar like this. And after every 1000 times, you just need to pray to Allah about your issue, about your want, about your desire. So you will get quick result. You will get result within one day, inshallah ta'ala, inshallah ta'ala. So this is the story of a sister, and she is a member of our WhatsApp group, and she is reciting Astaghfar and Durood Sharif daily, alhamdulillah. So I request to all of you, start reciting Astaghfar, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah 7000 times daily. Inshallah ta'ala, your life will become better and your issues will solve soon. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our efforts and prayers, and may Allah make our life easy. Ameen. Jazakallahu khairah.